Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about VeluVie Anti Cellulite Massager. You should buy this product or not. In this video I'm going to provide you 5 major red flags why you should not use this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, this is the official website. Okay, and we talk about you should buy any product or not. So the thing is, like you can see, there is a one more product in the market, Vanilla Anti-Cellular Massager, and there is one more product like Blisium Massager, and there is one more product that is like endorsed Anti-Cellulite Massager, and you can see over a Milo Anti-Cellulite Massager, and there is one more product that is like this one, Anti-Cellulite Massager, and there is one more website, Vanilla Anti-Cellular Massager, and there is one more website that is like VeluVie Anti Cellular Massager. So it means there are hundreds of websites who are selling same kind of product. Okay, so basic thing is like this is not a unique product. Okay, and if we talk about like the problems, the first problem is like when you purchase this product, there is no guarantee you will get exact result as they shown in the pictures. This is the first thing. And if we talk about like the advertisement, you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts, and there is no guarantee about this thing. The advertisement they have shown you will get exact results, because all the advertisement are AI generated or highly video edited. Okay, so if we talk about like other problem, that is like return and refund. When you purchase product on any unofficial websites or any websites, there is no guarantee like you will get your money back or not, because when you purchase product maybe the product is damaged, maybe your money will be deducted, but in some cases you will not get your product. So in that case, what you will do, how you can contact with the customer support team? This kind of website does not provide any kind of customer support also. Okay, so the basic thing is like my recommendation is not with this product. Otherwise you can make your own decision. You are a smart person, I have already provided you lots of proofs. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so bye bye, thank you.